Namaste, I'm Uma Venkatachalam here, yoga teacher and a health consultant, talking to you on constipation once again. Just a previous video, I spoke about how raisins help us to come out of constipation. Well, I have been meeting people for more than 2 decades now regarding their health as well as emotional issues. And the reason why someone gets constipated, let us see that now, because there is an emotion part involved in most of the physical ailments, especially if they are chronic. And for constipation, my understanding is those who need more expression of love from their loved ones get into constipation. This I see predominantly with young children as well as aged people, after retirement aged people. Young children, they expect more expression of love from their parents, especially if there are 2 kids in the same family. One child tends to have constipated body because that child thinks its sibling is being receiving more of love from the parent. If we ask the parent would say, I treat both the children equally only. Whereas it is not the mistake of the parent, it is the feeling of one child which feels that the expression of love is not enough. Same way, after retirement, adults, elderly people, senior citizens tend to start feeling that they are not being recognized and the next generation, that is their children, are not giving time for them or paying any attention to them, and by giving more time only, adults start feeling that they are being taken care and there is love or expression of love. So they expect more conversation, whereas these days we know everybody is busy with their own work and their commitments, their targets, and end of the day they are very tired and the gadgets help them to come out of tiredness, and hence of course social media also, and hence the conversation with the elderly parents are limited. And many families, the children are abroad and the time difference is also playing a major role, and the way it's been communicated or conversed is less, and adults, the elders, senior citizens end up having constipation. Predominant percentage of constipation are with younger children who are dependent, and elder senior citizens who are also emotionally dependent with their children. And middle-aged people, some of them, the percentage is less, but some of them do get. Because from childhood, if a person feels not being attended by the parents, even when they grow and make an identity of their own and settle well in their life, they still continue to have constipation. Deep in the heart, there has been a feeling that I have not been loved or received good expression of love from my parent, continue to be there as a deep-rooted emotional lack, and so they go through the constipation. And there is a hidden hurt, hidden longing for love. That is what leads to constipation. If such is a situation, it's just not taking raisins or any other remedy would help. There are multiple remedies. There is an acupressure point also, which I will definitely tell you end of this video. But I would like you to know the emotional part of it. Whenever there is an emotional block, in those times, to come out of the physical ailment, when there is an emotional block, because of that the body is expressing the symptoms, then I predominantly use flower remedy as a combination of flower remedies given to them so that they feel relieved from the symptom as well as emotional block is also removed. For constipation also, it's not constipation. When we discuss with the person, the medicine is not for the physical symptom. The medical is for the emotional block. For that, the flower remedy combination is given. That helps them to come out of the physical ailment also. Here, as I told you, the longing of expression of love is there. So what happens? The combination is made in such a way of flower remedy when their longing, their looking up or looking forward for more expression also reduces, as well as whoever they are expecting them to love, they also start expressing more. So if there is a child who wants more expression of love from the parent, that expectation reduces, and surprisingly, whichever parent they are expecting, this person is expecting, they also start expressing more to this child, and that is met. That is how the combination is made, so that the emotional block is removed and hence the energy flows very smoothly. Because of this, constipation is completely relieved. How do we know whether someone is completely healthy? Is one of the main reason is constipation. Bowel movement is very important to send out the unwanted from our body. Acupuncture science says when someone is getting up in the morning, or someone should get up with an urge to move their bowel, between 5 and 7 a.m. in the morning time is the right time to move the bowel. So that as you wake up, the bowel movement happens, all the unwanted is gone out. So whatever we put in after that through food or anything becomes more nutritious. The nutrients are very well absorbed. How this is bowel movement, if it gets delayed and someone is eating, what does it mean? There is a stagnation of unwanted thing in the body, something like a gutter, wastage. Along with it, we also put in food. So what happens? The nutrition's absorption will be very less because they get merged. It is not the right way of eating. I know a 91-year-old man who told me many years back, when I met him he was 91, that was in the year 2002. He said, I know I am very healthy. My son thinks I must go for health checkup often, but I tell him I'm very healthy because I bend down and pick up things. I do my chores. Most importantly, I wake up around 4:30 to 5 a.m. in the morning with an urge to move my bowel, and so I know my unwanted thing is gone out and the day is filled with all that is fresh and new. So I am very healthy. That's what he told me. In case someone gets constipated, sleep also matters, contributes towards this constipation. Why someone is able to sleep and someone not able to sleep, and how sleep helps in our healthy body and healthy mind, we will discuss later. As I told you, as I began this video, I told you I will tell you also an acupressure point which would help you to come out of constipation. You can also discuss your emotional issue by online consultation if you like to. We can discuss and see if we can help through flower remedy. Now the acupressure point is any hand is okay. You can do it as you wake up, after you brush your teeth, in case your bowel is not moving appropriately. And the nail bed, this is in this shape. I am taking the corner, lower corner towards the thumb side of the index finger and press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release, like that 15 times. The next point is between these two fingers, index finger and the thumb, the joining point is this. This is a web of these two fingers. From there, around 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch, you feel a dip here, a depression. So that point, press, release, press, release, press, release around 15 times. Once a day is enough. As you get up, you can do it. Then you can find your bowel moving better. In case it doesn't help, then you can come for a consultation. We will meet with the other important topic, the emotional part of a symptom, as well as what we can do as personal self-care, self-help tip also along with it. You can help yourself with the tip, or you can also come to know about the emotional quotient of this physical symptom. We will address this one by one, and we will meet you again. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy all the time. Bye bye. Take care. This is Uma Venkatachalam signing off.